Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors. I lost the audio for this, so right now we're talking about I collected 3 more eggs this past week, and we're going to be putting those in the incubator while we're taking our weight on these eggs, emu eggs. Let's get the box open and start, fighting the lid like always. And we're moving these to the side so I can have room to put the eggs, new set at the bottom, and move the bottom up to the middle. Alright, we're not going to weigh the new eggs until after. We're going to start with the new ones with zeroing it out. And I close that door so we can get a little bit of better light. It's crazy. Got light coming in behind me, on the side of me. It still doesn't look good, but here we go. We're weighing the first one, and that's 482, and it did do like it's supposed to. It lost its 10 grams. We're looking to lose 10 to 11 grams, pretty close to that. I mean, 10 is a good average for these eggs. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to weigh. This one weighs 494, and let's get the last one in there, and we're turning them as we go. This is our afternoon turning. And this one weighed 504, which is an 11-point drop. So yeah, that one did great too. And we're doing this just to just a little extra on top of already having to turn them every day. So once a week, I'm going ahead and weigh each egg. At this point, I know they're all going to drop, but it's also a way to keep everybody up on the hatching process. So that one weighed, I missed it, but it lost 10 grams. That one is 550, which is actually right at 10 or 11. There we go. And number 6. And that one weighed 561, so that's 11 grams too. So most of them lost 11 grams. Now we get to weigh the new ones. And here I was talking about the temperature and the moisture. The moisture stays right at 26. It goes up and down here and there, but it's not that much. 582, the new weight. We're going to turn the page and start on the next side, where I already dated and set up a bracket. And that one fit good, but the next one doesn't fit good. It's actually it's longer more than it is round, but it's still a good weight at 553. We're taking notes. And yeah, that's where I was showing it was longer. And this one is too. It's a little bulkier egg. I think that was the first one I collected this week, and that little narrow one was the last one. 595. That's one of our heavier eggs. She's doing good. She found a new spot to lay. I'm sure y'all seeing those in the shorts. But there it is. They're all set up. No one's cracked. No odd looking stuff. So everything's doing good. Those I mean, it's odd the 3 different weights you get by the deals, but yeah, the weights are lower on the bigger, older ones, and it gets better as it goes. I mean, they're a little heavier. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see y'all in the next video. Thank you very much.